I welcome you all to the Tibetan class. So today we do some sentences related to what we did yesterday. So now here again, I don't drink alcohol at home either. Now, is this word either related to home? Drink or I? So in Tibetan it's very clear. It's very clear. In English it's a bit complicated. So here, I don't drink alcohol at home either. Nga ya nga yang na nga nang la a ra ga rak hao tha shep chu thu nga thung ga kiku gi ma dingbo me da me. I also home at alcohol drink I don't. So gime is auxiliary, first person present tense auxiliary. First person, I don't, he doesn't, they don't. It's not like this, just I or we don't. I or we don't. I don't drink, I don't work, I don't live. I don't gime. Okay, now nga yang nang la arak tum gime. I also home at alcohol don't drink. So when you learn Tibetan, it's not like a English speaking student learning French. In French and in English, you have the sentence structure more or less the same. But in Tibetan, it's reverse. When you translate from back to front. Back to front. So if you are a real beginner, gime is I don't or we don't. He doesn't, she doesn't, they don't. No, it's not like this. It's only related with the first person and the group of people with first person. I don't, we don't. So now, I also home at alcohol drink not. So translate back to front. I don't drink alcohol at home also. So gime, I don't drink alcohol at home also means ngayang nangla arak tungi me. Ngayang nangla arak tungi me. Ngayang nangla arak tungi me means someone doesn't drink alcohol at home. I too, even I also don't drink. So ngayang nangla arak tungi me. Ngayang nangla arak tungi me means someone doesn't, I too don't. I too don't. Okay, now yang ayang is moved after at home. If you move the word yang after at home, then what does it mean? So nga, nang home, la at, yang also, arak, alcohol, tung gi me. Nga, nang, la, yang, arak, tung gi me. The difference between the first sentence and the second sentence is nga nang la yang arak tung gi me means I don't drink alcohol at restaurants and party. I also don't drink at home. So the emphasis is given on the place, not to the first person, to the place. Nga nang la yang arak tung gi me. I don't drink alcohol at restaurants, at party. I don't drink alcohol at home also means the yang ayang is emphasized on the place. Nga nang la yang arak tung gi me. If you are beginner, I don't. Gime, I don't live in India, I don't work, I don't drink alcohol. Gime. So नेपालीमा सजिलै छ. नेपालीमा म पनि घरमा रक्सी खाने गर्दिन खाँदिन. म पनि घरमा रक्सी खाने गर्दिन. अब यो दोस्रो चाहिँ म घरमा पनि रक्सी खाँदिन. पार्टीमा पनि खाँदिन, रेस्टुरेन्टमा पनि खाँदिन, घरमा पनि खाँदिन. म पनि घरमा रक्सी खाँदिन, म घरमा पनि रक्सी खाँदिन. Nga yang nang la arak tung gi me. Nga nang la yang arak tung gi me. Nga yang nang la arak tung gi me. Nga nang la yang arak tung gi me. अनि सिक्दाखेरि चाहिँ एक एक शब्दको मतलब जानेको हुनुपर्छ. म पनि घरमा रक्सी खाँदिन, म घरमा पनि रक्सी खाँदिन. Now we go to the last sentence. Nga nang la raga rak yang yang au tasatu tung ga kikugi madingbo me da me. Nga nang la arak yang tungi me. Nga nang la arak yang tungi me. Now here yang is emphasized on the object alcohol. Here it is emphasized on the place. Here with the subject. And all of these sentences mean different things. Now nga nang la arak yang tungi me means I don't smoke. And in addition to it, I don't drink alcohol. I don't smoke in presence of my parents. I don't even drink alcohol. So the emphasis is given on the object alcohol. Here is given emphasis is given on the place, at home, at school, in class. And then here yang is emphasized on the first person, I too. Someone doesn't, I too don't. I don't drink alcohol in restaurants. In addition to it, I don't drink alcohol at home. And then I don't eat meat at the monastery. And in addition to it, I don't drink alcohol. So emphasis is given on the object arak. Nga nangla arak yang tungi me. I don't drink alcohol at home. The question is either. So in Tibetan is technically also. I also. At home also. Alcohol also. So if you are beginner wishing to learn Tibetan, you must train your brain to speak from back to front. And it's very logical. Once you started learning Tibetan, each and every sentence has logical meaning, why it should be said this way or that way. It's very logical. I don't know all the languages, but from what little I know, I think Tibetan is the most logical language. Yes, and then tomorrow I will come up with a bit more complex sentence. On Saturday and Sundays, I will come up with bit more complicated sentence. Whatever. So, dime, I don't. It's not necessary to say. In this case, you have to. Otherwise, I is included in this auxiliary. I don't. And second thing you have to remember is translate back to front. And then now the main point is why this word yang ayang is placed in different places. Here yang ayang is emphasized on I. The word yang ayang is stressing on at home, and this yang ayang is stressing on the object alcohol. So thank you very much for coming to the class, and if you think it's beneficial to you, please like it, share it, and comment on it. So and if you wish to buy Tibetan grammar book, I have written 3 volumes of colloquial Tibetan grammar books, and you can order them directly from me. So thank you very much for coming to the class. I'll see you again tomorrow. Sangin Jelyong.